These sound similar, yesterday and the day before, but they are not the same. I met him yesterday. This sounds natural. I said I had met him the day before. This also sounds natural. But they do not mean the same thing. So what is the difference? Yesterday is simple. It means one day before today. It always connects to now. I saw her yesterday. We finished it yesterday. But the day before is different. It depends on another time. Not today. It connects to a past moment. I said I had met him the day before. She told me she had left the day before. So here is the key. Yesterday is about today. The day before is about a past moment. Same idea. Different reference. Use the wrong one, and it sounds off.